Hello and welcome back to Automotivania, where we are at, well, what I think is the distinctly average McDonald's, which is a slightly unpopular opinion. Anyway, we're here because it is conveniently located on the way to where we're going, which is the British Motor Museum at Gaydon. We're there because the Tucked Car Show is being held there today, and we're going to see what we can find. Let's now cut to about 40 minutes later and pretend that it took about a second to get there. Right, we have arrived. Let's see what we can find. Now I can't tell, is that stock suspension kit or aftermarket? We've got a lot of low cars here today. Nice new Supra there. Lupo. Haven't seen a Lupo in a while. Now what have we here? Full skyline there. Oh, and there is a that is ever so slightly small. Nice set of Golfs here. Now what is a Golf DAI? Not heard of that. Oh, it's a Jetta R32. Lupo. Got a lovely Nissan Cube here. I must be one of the only people on this planet that likes the Nissan Cube, I think. Very old Skyline. Every model that they did just looked nice. Well, the stock version of this has a very smooth ride. I wonder what this XJ is like. So low. Look at the ground clearance. And there are some nasty bumps to get in here. Nasty bumps. Now I would love to hear this V8 engine running. Dodge Challenger Hemi V8 RT. They're so nice. So nice. As is the Beamer. Now this 4 Series Grand Coupe might mistake you. What do you think it is? 440, 430? It's a 420D. That is a dirty diesel. Got 11 R32. If you want to see a review of an R32 with a twist, it's actually a van, then click up there. You can watch that video. It's a very good video. Look at that engine. I wonder how much that puts out, because that's clearly been tuned. So nice. Now I think this Integra might be pink. I think. Oh, and the brakes are pink. I reckon the owner might like pink. Oh, even the seats are pink. It's quite an interesting colour on the Golf. think my favourite car in this row has got to be this E36. Yeah, 11 E36. Oh, we got a supercharged R32. I bet that sounds absolutely mental. Yeah, supercharged. Huh. That must be interesting. Another Nissan Cube there,
ambassador,
and a man
Thomas,
cleaning his lovely Audi. Is it an RS7, S7, A7? Something 7.
And I'm blown away. Just the eclectic style of modern cars, old cars, everything, and I just love the fact that everything's slam blown and looks brilliant. It's the Tucked scene is absolutely phenomenal. The people making what
nice.
it is, a proper chilled vibe. It's a family-friendly environment, family-friendly event. You've been coming to my shows for a good 10 years now. First came in your Lambo. What are you running at the moment? I've got 3 cars at the moment, so I'm here with RS6, which it isn't slammed or anything like that, but I absolutely love it. But you're a family man, you've got kids, RS6, you're still like in there. I've got it.
I do love the FFs.
Your wife's got a Tesla. And I do that to a Ferrari, but here at Tuck, that's right at home, and I absolutely love it.
What do we have here?
Think it's a piece of art. Everything
what
here.
Do we have here?
Every owner has taken so much time, honestly, money and care into doing their cars up. I was walking around with you and you were like, how much have they spent on that? Yeah, I often wonder, you know, I've had a customised C63 which I sold, and I didn't get anything worth what I'd spent on it, to be honest with you. And I think, you know, it's just a passion, isn't it? When you, it's your pride and joy, you spend what you want on it, you may never ever recoup that.
A very yellow 1 Series, and a slightly yellow AMG A35 or A45, and a Sirocco that is not yellow at all. Perfect. Ooh, that's a interesting number plate. Got the Suzuki crew with their Swifts. Right then, I think we've seen pretty much all there is to see. We're gonna depart the venue. If we see anything leaving or anything, I mean, there is literally police everywhere, so I doubt anything interesting will happen. But if we see anything, I'll shove the GoPro out the window and put it in the video. But yeah, that sums up today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget, like, subscribe, share, all the things. Stay safe to do on YouTube videos, do it for this video, do it for this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.